Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A30s. The first thing is we need to have the phone turned off. Completely off, it can't be on at all. So once it's turned off, we can move it. To the side, it will be more convenient for us to clean because the speaker is located between the side, the edge and the glass. Right here at the top, where there's a teardrop shape about 3 to 4 centimeters, that's where the speaker is. For this we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles about 2 centimeters long, so that the bristles are soft or medium hard, but not hard, because hard bristles could scratch the phone. At the end we reach for isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so that it softens the dirt, allowing us to clean it, and then evaporates from the phone without leaving any residue, because any residue could clog it again. The phone, and it would be completely irrational to clean it, only for it to get clogged again with the very thing you used to clean it. And this little tool, and you can buy it in a set like this on Allegro or Amazon. If you don't have a way to buy it, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it's soft or medium hard. So now we're going to start cleaning. So we thoroughly moisten the little brush. After moistening it, we'll thoroughly clean the speaker with a consistent, single direction motion to ensure all debris is removed. Don't have a diffuser? You can take a small container or a funnel, pour in a few drops and dip the brush in it. And you'll get exactly the same effect. With a steady motion in one direction, clean 5 to 10 times in one direction. And then in the other direction, also about 10 times. Repeat the process about 5 times in each direction and your speaker will be clean. So in total that's about 50 repetitions of cleaning. I keep a one-way motion just so you can completely sweep out all the dirt from those holes. And if we move it back and forth, the dirt, unfortunately, the debris will still continue to block those small holes, instead of being effectively swept out of them, as you might expect. After the whole procedure, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate, and then you can use it normally again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.